Hi friends, this is Manjunath Trading Channel. Today we are going to discuss about a topic called IPO, Initial Public Offering. For example, if a company wants to expand their business in several places all over the country, but they are not having sufficient amount to increase their business. So what they will do? Banks are looting so much amount in the form of interest. Then the company decides to sell some part of the company shares to the public. The amount came from that process. They will use it for expansion of the company. This process is called IPO, Initial Public Offering. Nowadays, we can see so many companies are coming for IPO. For example, Zomato, Nika, Policy Bazaar, Sigachi. They they came for IPO. The people, the investors who have shown interest in these companies, they have seen so much huge number of returns. For example, Zomato, 75% returns the investors have seen. In the same manner, Nika, 80% returns they have seen. Policy Bazaar investors, they got 20% returns. Sigachi Industries IPO returns, this is the biggest returns they have seen, 250% returns. In the same manner, if any investor invests in fixed deposit, they gets only 5% returns in a year. Annually, in fixed deposit, they get only 5% returns. By comparing fixed deposit and IPO, so many people are showing interest in IPO. Simply, IPO means for the purpose of expansion of business, some part of the company will be sold. That shares will be purchased by the general people or public. So it is public offer. For this purpose, SEBI should give the permission or green signal. SEBI means it is a huge topic, will be discussed in detail in another video. Simply, SEBI checks the company potential in India. After the SEBI gives green signal or permission, company announces the IPO. In IPO, investors can buy four types of in the four forms. Firstly, retail individual investor. Those who are having amount 2 lakhs or less than 2 lakhs, in this process they can invest or they can buy the shares only through the form of stock broking applications like Upstocks, Angel Broking, Zerodha, Carvey. They can buy retail investments. And again, non-institutional investors or corporates, those who have capable to buy more than 2 lakhs shares, they can come under the non-institutional investors. They should have internet banking or mobile banking to buy the shares. Qualified institutional investors, none other than banks or big companies. It should be investment like in the crores or more than crores. These people called qualified institutional investors. If any investor capable to buy more than 10 crores amount of investment, he or she will be called as anchor investor. And last one is employees category or reserved category. Those who are working in the same company that came for the IPO, they can buy the some part of the shares. The, This is the four types of investments we can done under the IPO. Now, advantages of launching IPO. So many advantages will be there for IPO. For example, raising funds. Without loans, they get funds. Without loans, they get funds. IPO is the most convenient option to raise huge capital by reaching out to large number of individuals at the same time. Secondly, liquidity. Liquidity is nothing that due to IPO, stakeholders get good returns. Their share price also increases, and again improved finance. The advantages of IPO launch covers benefits for overall finance of the company as well as its shareholders in more than one way. Good publicity will get, increases their brand value. This is all because of IPO. They can expand their business. Company can clear all their loans if they are having any loans. Increase the visibility. Since the reach of an IPO is used the entire country at one time, it contributes in making public aware about the company. Employee retention. This is very underrated advantage. This is also an advantage. Employee retention. If an employee wants to get out from the company, if they decide IPO, they get some they increase some goodwill among the society. Very important. Companies as well as their employees. Often companies use IPOs to reward their employees also. They can due to their rewards, the employees can be retained there only. That's it, guys. I'll come up with a good topic again. If you like my explanation, like my video, share my video. If you want more interested videos on stock market, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.